You're listening to EUAudio. Listen, learn, lead. How does a machine learn? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has inspired many subgenres of science fiction, from idyllic portrayals of friendships between robots and humans to dystopic depictions of machines subjugating humanity. The potential of AI may have scared the general public, but it certainly never scared manufacturers, who quickly realized that smart machines can massively improve production. But how do machines learn? Artificial intelligence is generally described as a machine's ability to imitate intelligent human behavior. In manufacturing, this ability becomes useful when machines can match or even outperform a human worker at a certain task, completing it faster or more efficiently. In this case, that task can be safely automated, while human workers can be moved to positions that require abilities in which humans excel, such as fine dexterity or problem solving. But how do we train machines to complete tasks in the first place? The answer lies in data. Machine learning is a technique for data analysis that allows a computer to learn based on experience. Machine learning algorithms learn information directly from data without a given equation to be used as a model. The more data they analyze, the more accurate they become. In a manufacturing environment, two main models of machine learning are used: supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised machine learning uses a known quantity of input and output data, known as a training dataset, to train a machine to extract the same kind of information from new sets of data. Supervised learning falls into two types: classification and regression. If the output variable is a category, for example, if a part is good or defective, then we are working with a classification problem. If the output variable is a real value, such as the temperature above which a heat transfer oil will likely ignite, it is a regression problem. As the name suggests, classification problems classify data into categories. In manufacturing, classification algorithms are often used to automate the quality control of complex parts. The algorithm will analyze relevant data about the part and then assign a label to it, good or faulty. Classification algorithms are also used in healthcare. From given data, such as the results of blood tests, the algorithm can generate a label which corresponds to a diagnosis. Interestingly, the same process can be used in predictive maintenance to assess the health state of a machine and diagnose malfunctions. On the other hand, regression algorithms can analyze unstructured data to predict a quantity. This type of learning can be used when we don't have any classified output data that can be used to train the machine. The most common use of regression algorithms in manufacturing is demand analysis. For example, a reliable parts supplier will be able to predict the number of units that customers will require in the coming week or month. While supervised learning usually has an expected outcome, unsupervised learning is applied when the specific goal is not yet known. In this type of learning, data is grouped into clusters with the goal of revealing hidden patterns that might contain relevant information. In manufacturing, unsupervised learning can be used to monitor the normal operating mode of equipment and detect unusual trends that could signal a malfunction. Unsupervised learning requires massive amounts of data and the help of a data scientist to interpret results. However, given the growing amount of unlabeled, unstructured data generated by IIoT-connected equipment and sensors, unsupervised learning will likely become more and more common. Unsupervised learning can also be used as a first step to sort input data into clusters, which will later be further analyzed with a supervised learning algorithm. Choosing the right machine learning method and perfecting the algorithms will involve a lot of trial and error and will take time and effort. However, manufacturers that invest in machine learning will likely gain a significant advantage. The only ones scared by the potential of AI will be their competitors. EUAudio is brought to you by EU Automation,